Hello friends, welcome to my next tutorial where I'll be teaching you how to calculate the price of a forward contract. This particular problem we will consider calculating the forward contract with dividend expected yield. Okay, so let me read the problem for you. Okay, calculate the price of a forward contract using the following data. What is the following data? The price of the share 75 rupees. The time to expiration 9 months. Dividend expected 2.2 per share. Time to dividend 4 months. Continuously compounded risk free rate 12% per annum. As I very clearly told you, the forward price is equal to spot price into e to the power of raise t. In case if dividend is given, you will have to take the spot minus dividend and e to the power of raise t. So we have to calculate first the dividend part in this particular problem. So the present value of the dividend has to be calculated. How do we calculate the present value of dividend? The dividend multiplied by e to the power of raise t, but in this e to the power of raise t, rt, you have to consider minus, means we need to discount this 2.20. So 2.20 multiplied by, we know e is equal to 2.714. Okay, r is equal to, we know risk free rate is equal to 12%, that is 0.12, multiplied by t is equal to, we know 4 by 12 because 4 months is given, so 4 by 12. So if you do that, 2.20 multiplied by 2.714, if you multiply 0.12 into 4 by 12, that will give you 0.12 into 0.33, so that will give you 0.20 into 2.74 to the power of minus 0.0396, which is equal to 2.20 into 0.961. If you multiply these two, you will get 2.1147. So what was the dividend? 2.20. What is the present value of the dividend? 2.10, which means what? 2 rupees 20 paise has become 2 rupees 10 paise. Why? We are considering the present value of the dividend. Okay, the present value we are discounting 2.20. Okay, so once you get this answer, now what do you have to do? Then we have to calculate the future value. Okay, now what is the future value? I told you future value is equal to spot value multiply e to the power of rt. In this case, you have to minus the dividend. Minus, where is the dividend? Dividend we are calculating in step 1. Okay, so take 75 minus your dividend what you have calculated. Okay, then multiplied by 2.714 to the power of RT. Okay, now I have taken 75 minus 2, that is I am getting 72.8853. Now 2.74 multiplied by this amount, that is 0.12 into 9 by 12, will give you 0.09. Okay, so what you do is 72.88 into 1.0941. If you do this 2.74 to the raise of 0.09 in your calculator, okay, so 72.8 into 1.0941, you will get the answer of 79.740. So pretty straightforward question, but in this particular problem what we have considered is, we have considered the value of a forward contract including dividend. Okay, here the dividend data is given. If dividend data is not given, your problem is straightforward, that is future value is equal to spot into e to the power of rt. If a dividend is given, you have to take future value is equal to spot minus dividend into e to the power of rt. Okay.